Welcome to my channel. I'm Zamir from Ecstasy Tunes. In this video, I'm going to be making a lo-fi beat from scratch using chord pads. And if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, and smash that like button and share this video to everyone. And please do check out all my other videos. There's a lot of videos that I've made before. Please go and check it out. Alright, so without further ado, let's get right into it. Hey, what's up guys? There are two rules to make lo-fi beat. The first one is to use lots of 7th chord or even minor 9 sometime, and another one is to have a slower tempo, and that's it. That's all you need. And of course you need to add the vinyl crack sound. Okay, so let's start. I have this road patch loaded in Omnisphere. Okay, I'm gonna create a rhythm pattern using the chord pads. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, I've released a 5 beat making tips video. I've explained it in details. Please go and watch that video. I'm gonna use E minor 7 as the first chord. C major 7 as the second chord. And the last chord, D7. Only 3 chords for this track. Okay, now let's record these chords. Okay, I'm gonna rearrange these chords, quantize and add a little swing. Oops. Okay, that sounds great. I'm gonna transpose this bass note up. Okay, I like that. And I'm gonna lower down the velocity. Okay, let's add high pass filter. Okay, let's add drums now. I'm gonna start with kick. Oh, what is that? I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna start recording now. quantize just the velocity. I'm gonna copy this kick effects. Okay, I'm gonna add snare right now. I'm gonna add hi-hat right now. I want a triplet pattern for hi-hat. Let's record the pattern now. I'm gonna add another hi-hat. Okay, let's record. It's gonna be a very simple 8-note pattern. Okay, I love how this triplet rhythm makes the track bounce. I'm gonna adjust the velocity and add swings. Okay, I'm gonna add bells. Okay, I'm gonna adjust the note, but I don't want to quantize the bell sound. And I'm gonna adjust the velocity. Okay, I'm gonna add bass now. Bass is gonna be a very simple pattern, and I'm gonna use the root note of the chords for the bass. I'm gonna edit the last note of the bass. Let me quantize and add swings. I'm gonna adjust the level. I'm gonna bring down the bass volume. I'm gonna add this plugin granulizer. I'm not sure how to pronounce this. I'm gonna use the preset vinyl crackers. Okay, the last instrument that I want to add is harp. Okay, let's add high pass filter. Okay guys, I did some basic arrangement and the beat is done now. Let's hear the beat. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and the beat, and yeah, thank you for being here, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.